Imagine a single tree that grows 40 different types of fruits. Peaches, plums, cherries, apricots, nectarines, all from one trunk. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's real. And today, we're diving into the story of the Tree of 40 Fruits, one of the most magical creations in modern agriculture. This tree doesn't just grow multiple fruits, it blooms in 40 different colours, producing fruits throughout the entire summer. And the person behind it? A professor who accidentally created one of the world's most unique living artworks. Sam Van Aken, an American artist and art professor. He grew up on a farm surrounded by orchards, fascinated by the diversity of fruit trees. Years later, while working at Syracuse University, he discovered something shocking. An old orchard that preserved rare and heirloom fruit varieties was about to be shut down. Instead of letting history disappear, Sam had an idea. What if he could save all the varieties on one single tree? This wasn't meant to be just science. It was meant to be living art. Creating the Tree of 40 Fruits didn't happen overnight. It took years of grafting, a technique where branches from different trees are attached to one main tree. First, Sam started with a base tree, a type of stone fruit tree like a plum. Then, season after season, he grafted different varieties of plums, apricots, peaches, nectarines, cherries, almonds. Each graft must heal, grow, and become part of the tree's vascular system. Over time, the tree transforms, like a puzzle made from living pieces. By year 5, Sam's experiment had turned into something extraordinary. One tree, 40 fruits, 40 colours, 40 flavours. Spring is when this tree becomes a work of art. Instead of one kind of flower, it bursts into waves of pink, purple, white and red blossoms. It looks like someone painted the tree by hand. By summer, the branches bend under the weight of fruit, each one different in taste, texture and shape. Imagine picking cherries from one branch, then reaching over to grab a peach, and walking around to find apricots hanging right next to them. The Tree of 40 Fruits is more than a cool science experiment. It helps preserve rare fruit species, varieties that have vanished from supermarkets and almost disappeared from history. It also teaches us about biodiversity, grafting, and the importance of protecting our food sources. Some of these trees are now planted in museums, gardens, and public spaces across the United States. People see it as both a scientific wonder and a symbol of creativity. From a single idea to a tree that carries 40 different worlds of flavour, this creation shows just how magical nature can be when mixed with human imagination. So next time you see an orchard, remember, sometimes all it takes is one tree to grow a whole world of possibilities. If you enjoyed this incredible story, hit like, subscribe, and comment. Which fruit would you graft onto the tree? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.